Wednesday, January 29th, 4:10 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street Money. Stock market just closed a few minutes ago. The futures markets will close at 5 p.m. and the Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged. That has an effect on currencies. So we're going to go over the major currencies. We'll do a top-down too. Look at multiple time frames. More insights. So I have three grids. The far right would be the monthly, 5-year monthly, meaning each candle's a month. And this is the last week of this month. So this candle will be done to close of Friday. The middle grid is a 1-year weekly. Again, each candle represents a week. And the left is a 3-month daily. You're going to be tested. Better be paying attention. Take adult responsibility, own up. Currencies, the US dollar index. Index because it has several currencies in it. Well, since the left interest rate's unchanged, and you look at the grid on the far right, this month the candle's red. Made a higher high, higher low than the prior month. The trend is still up. Here's the high of 2022, the yellow horizontal line. Again, see all this between 2023, 2024 on the monthly chart. Huge consolidation here. In the past few months, we broke out of it, trending a higher high. Again, the trend is currently up. So if you're bullish, you should be looking to buy on the pullback. On the weekly, look at that, the trend is down. Lower high, lower low. Broke below the low of last week. And a wick on the bottom, buyers stepping in. Yep, again, consolidation. The trend went up, pullback. On the daily chart, the trend already reversed. Past 2 days, green candles, higher high, higher low. We came inside this imbalance area, trade idea, and buyer stepped in. Nice. We'll see if we're going to have a continued upside or if it's going to be a rejection. Let's go look at the major currencies inside the US dollar. The first one, the largest one, the euro. Again, same thing, 3 grids. Far right is the 5-year monthly. The middle one is the 1-year weekly. And the left is the 3-month daily. So on the monthly, it's inverse in the US dollar. Look at that, lower low, lower high. The trend is down. And look at that big red green candle here. 2021 impulse move up, midpoint, and we're at the sweet spot, potential trade high there. But that prior month, December, was an inside candle, broke below it. And we're forming a doji here. Very interesting. So buyers are stepping in here. Start sellers up here, buyers stepping in. On the weekly, we took out the high of last week, which is that big green candle in the middle grid. Reversed. Nice. So we have a failure up here. We had that impulse move down, those 3 red candles on the weekly. Tested it. Yep. So potentially, we might have another failure up here. I would not want to be buying up here in this balance area. I want to be buying on the bottom. Pull back, reversal. Left grid. The daily chart. Look at this. Today, lower low, lower high. The trend is down. Buyer stepping in. Big impulse move up here. Nice. Potential trade idea. Next major currency. Japanese yen. Second largest currency in the US dollar index. Okay, here in the monthly, the far right. Right off the bat, see the green candle, lower high, lower low. Took out prior month. But look how small the trading range is. Big difference. The far right grid. 2004, we had huge trading ranges on the yen. This month, smaller trading range. Less panic selling. It may be under accumulation. Smart money may be buying here. The weekly chart, trending up. higher highs, higher lows. But when you look at this on the middle grid, see big wicks, that's concerning because they see this huge energy move down here on this trend. All the red candles trending down. And then these little candles on the upside. So potential failure. Yep, might be an opportunity to be looking for a opportunity set up bearish. And the daily chart, past 2 days, inside candles. A lot of indecision here. So we have these daily candle, far left grid, impulse move down, panic selling, consolidation. I'll be looking for a stop hunt, some kind of single for a possible bearish trade. Go on to the next currency. British pound, the third largest currency in the US dollar index. And look at that on the monthly chart, forming a bullish pin bar. Nice. The weekly chart, last week, big green candle. Almost a solid body, very bullish candle. Be looking for a pullback for entry. And the daily chart, in a consolidation phase. Nice. Consolidation phase, impulse move up. That might be a trade signal forming here on the daily chart. Big impulse move up, pull back. Yep. Nice. So right now, the current trend is down. See these three candles, lower, 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 high. Yeah. Overall, this bigger thing, when you look here, it's like a consolidation, but receive or get a reversal. Look for the higher high potential bullish trade out there. On to the next major currency. Down under, the Australian dollar. Yeah, doesn't this look similar on the monthly? Lower low, lower high, little tiny trading range. So you got that swing low here on the monthly. See if that's going to turn around for accumulation. Right now, again, there was a lot of panic selling on those monthly. And you can see on the weekly, the middle grid. Last week, big impulse move candle. And this week, we have not taken out the higher low. So maybe we're building a wedge, a bullish wedge, maybe. See how that works out. In the daily chart, the grid on the far left, deep retracement, concerning. Might go down here to the bottom of that impulse move up. On to the next currency. To the Canadian dollar, neighbors to the north. Took out the low of last year already on the monthly chart. Wow. And look at the weekly chart in the middle. Huge consolidation. Might be distribution going on here. Yep. And you can see on the daily, again, huge consolidation. Building energy. Let's see if that's going to have a trend reversal or not. Interesting. Yep. So again, we have failure up here on the weekly. I would not want to be trading this right now. There's better trades than this. Go on to the next. It's Frank. Landlocked country in Europe. Yeah. Again, monthly, lower low, lower high trend down, forming that dodgy candle. Dodgy candle, potential reversal. Weekly charts, grid in the middle. Dodgy candle. Bearish dodgy candle. Almost a bearish pin bar too. Yeah. Not looking so good. And the daily chart. Not impressed. Nope. Let's go on to the next. Neighbors to the south. Mexico. Inside candle for the month. Very suspicious. Yeah. Inside candle. Inside candles, potential reversal. And it's a hollow candle equivalent to a green candle. Interesting. And the weekly chart, look at that inside candle too. Daily chart. A lot of chop around here. Wow. Go on to the next. Chinese yuan. Oh, monthly. Big red candle right here. Yeah. To make a lower low, lower high than last year. Daily chart, inside candle. Look at that. Sorry, weekly channel. Look at the weekly grid in the middle. Sorry, weekly grid in the middle. Inside candle, small trading range. After that huge impulse move down last week. And the daily chart, very sloppy down here. So when this trends lower, this is in favor of a stronger yen. Vice versa. When it trends up, stronger dollar. This is the Forex pair. That's why you see 6 characters. And let's go take it to the final one, Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency, monthly. Green, made a higher high and a lower low, back inside the range of last month. It's undecided there. That's suspicious up there. Yep. And the daily chart, look at all this consolidation, but a lot of whipsaw too. And same here on the grid on the far left, the consolidation. Daily chart. So it's slowly grinding down. Nice. They ran it up into the elections, into the new year. And we're going to see if we have a distribution here for a dump. Just caution. I would consider taking profits, lock in profits. Tight stop. It could rapidly fall very fast. Wouldn't be the first time people lost a huge amount of their capital. Mm-hmm. Thank you as always for spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.